Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the country on a YouTube channel. Currently, I will show it on a laptop, but you can also do it on your mobile phone. Simply open the Chrome browser and switch to the desktop site, and then follow the same steps with me. Alright, friends, now let's move to my laptop screen. First, you need to open the Chrome browser in which your YouTube channel is logged in. After that, search for YouTube and then move ahead. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, click on your profile icon and then click on YouTube Studio. Once your YouTube Studio opens, simply click on Settings, which is at the bottom left. Then, on the Settings page, move to the second option, Channel, and then click on Country of Residence. Now select any country that you want to set for your YouTube channel, and then simply click on Save. Now click on your profile, then click on your channel, and then click here to move to the YouTube channel About section. Now you can see the country has been changed successfully. If you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.